so I already opened the box. I want to make sure that it was shipped good and there was no damage or anything. And gotta say, it was shipped pretty good for being an eBay special. Now I only paid about, well, I'm lying. I got this for my birthday from my wife actually, but she only paid around $90 for it, I believe. So for 90 bucks, I think this is a pretty good deal. It's a Muffler Delete kit for probably pretty much all the fourth gen Rams, I believe. But look at it, it's pretty good. It's I mean, the welds are decent for $90. I mean, I sure couldn't have done it. A lot of people hate on these clamps, but these clamps are actually the same clamps that your truck came with. So if they didn't, you know, if they didn't bother you then they shouldn't bother you now, right? I mean, they worked before, so they're gonna work now. The difference between the $90 Muffler Delete kit and the Magna Flow for like $200 and some is the $90 one is actually metal. Like, it's not stainless steel, where the Magna Flow one is, and obviously, yeah, it'd be nicer, it's not gonna rust, but you're putting it on an exhaust system that's metal. So what's the point of having this one section of your exhaust stainless steel when the rest of your exhaust is still gonna rust? Now, if you're changing out your entire exhaust system, it's probably gonna come with a performance muffler anyway, so it's really kind of pointless to do this. But my thing is, if you're just on Muffler Delete kit, you're going on a budget anyway, so why not go with the $90 option? Yeah, I mean, this is pretty much the whole thing. It's got the little curve there going, so yeah, I think this is gonna work out good. So let's go head out to the truck and we're gonna get this installed. Alright, so now I got this thing all jacked up. We can have plenty of space to get this exhaust out. So basically you're going to start back here. You're going to get these two clamps out, slide those tailpipes out the way. Then you're going to come up here. You're going to remove this front clip. These are 15mm sockets for these nuts. So let's start taking this apart. Spray everything you can with WD if you got it.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking this for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase. See my face, I was chasing at the paper, did all it for the waiters, with everything again, and nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules, I've been making moves, with everything to prove. Now it's going how I see it.
I just want to do a quick comparison. The Muffler Delete next to the stock muffler. Well, you can see it's pretty dead on, so I think it's gonna fit real nice.
I can't seem to get away from it. I went out of my way. I'm trying to feel the again. I've lost somewhere in my head. I've been at it all on my own, holding tight to the pledge. I'm somewhere near the edge of wishing we never met. I'm scared of being without you. Afraid no one ever know me. I'm out near the edge, and I can't get this out of my head yet. Looking like who I'm becoming, it's all I ever wanted. Never like me when you're sober, only like you when I'm lonely. Got me looking in the mirror for the self-diagnosis. Feel like they villainize me if they ever get to know me. tell me that you need me, then your action didn't show it. Knowing that you play the angles, and I'm seeing through your motives.
On the back, make sure your tips are good. That one's sitting pretty good. This one we just gotta turn slightly and maybe come out with a little bit more. Alright, and that's it, and she is installed. So check it out, it looks pretty awesome. So that actually took less than an hour. I think it took me like 30 minutes. I started around 10 a.m. It's about 10:30 now. So I'm gonna clean up and we're gonna see what it sounds like. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you ain't hit that subscribe and like button, what are you waiting for? Hit it now. But anyway, I hope this video helps you with a muffler delete kit. It sounds really good. Look out for the next video. I'm gonna do stock versus muffler delete sound comparisons. So the last exhaust video I did, I know y'all wanted to hear more of the exhaust, so I'm gonna do a whole video on the stock sound and the muffler delete sound. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.